Watergate is usually remembered as a morality play, a corrupt president, brave journalists, institutions that ultimately hold. But the story misses what makes Watergate important. Watergate mattered not because power was abused. Power has always been abused. Watergate mattered because for a brief moment the public saw how modern power actually works. Why Watergate felt so shocking. For many Americans, Watergate felt like a rupture, an interruption of normal politics. But what it revealed was not chaos, it was organization. Surveillance, intelligence agencies, compartmentalization, legal maneuvering, institutional secrecy. This was not improvisation, it was routine. What shocked people was not criminality alone, but the scale and coordination of the machinery behind it. From elected power to administrative power, Watergate exposed a shift that had been quietly underway. Power no longer flowed primarily through public speeches, legislative debate, electoral accountability. It flowed through agencies, legal interpretation, internal procedures, and classified channels. Authority was exercised not in public forums, but through systems designed to operate out of sight. The president was not standing above this machinery. He was embedded within it. The managerial state comes into view. Here is the crucial point. Watergate did not reveal a tyrant towering over the system. It revealed a manager inside it. This is where Max Weber becomes indispensable. Weber warned that modern power would increasingly take a bureaucratic form, rule-bound, procedural, impersonal, fragmented. Responsibility diffuses. Everyone follows protocol. No one feels fully accountable. Watergate showed how easily moral responsibility dissolves into procedure. If Watergate exposed the system, why didn't it dismantle it? Because the response focused on personal wrongdoing, not the structure. A president resigned, advisors were prosecuted, reforms were promised. The narrative became, the system worked. But the administrative machinery remained intact. In some cases, it became more opaque. What changed was not the structure of power, but how carefully it learned to manage exposure. Karl Popper warned that when power becomes insulated from criticism, democracy turns procedural rather than moral. Watergate did not end secrecy. It taught secrecy how to survive scrutiny. Oversight became formalized. Criticism became contained. Accountability became legalistic. The system adapted. Why Watergate still matters. Watergate was not the end of abuse. It was the beginning of managed legitimacy. Power learned how to absorb scandal, redirect blame, preserve structure, and maintain public confidence. This is the managerial state, not authoritarian in appearance, not democratic in substance, a system that governs through procedure, not persuasion. Watergate did not reveal that democracy failed. It revealed how easily democracy can be contained, not by force, but by process. And once power becomes procedural, accountability becomes optional. In the next episode, we'll look at how this model expands through intelligence agencies, permanent emergency, and the normalization of secrecy as governance. If this perspective helped clarify what Watergate revealed and what it did not, please leave a like and subscribe. In the next episode, we'll look at how the managerial state extends beyond scandal into permanent emergency and the quiet institutionalization of secrecy.